Good morning. Today is story time. Let's read a story from your Oxford Advantage Little Champs book of stories and rhymes. Children, when we will open the page number 3, you will get to see there are 3 dragon. Yes, do you know? Have you ever seen any dragon? You might have seen dragon in movies, right? Dragon. Dragon is one kind of a big animal. It looks like dinosaur, but it is not dinosaur. It is a different. Dragon can fly. They have wings. And when dragon open their mouth, they can blow fire. Yes, that is the main feature of dragon. Dragon, here you can see those dragons are green in color. They have some spot, yellow spot, can you see? And they have a small tail. But can you see their wings? I will show you 1 minute. Their wings, I will show you. You can see this is the wings. Yes, even the small dragon is also having wings. Okay, so dragon has wing, they can fly, and they, whenever they open their mouth, they can blow fire. So now this is the story. This is the story of a dragon whose name is Dub Dub. You know who is the Dub Dub? This little one. This little dragon is Dub Dub. His name is Dub Dub. Say, what is the name of the little dragon? Dub Dub. And he is green. Can you see? His full body is green and he had some yellow spot, small yellow spot. Spot means dot. मतलब देखोगे अब ड्रैगन की मम्मी पापा और ड्रैगन सब, डब डब की मम्मी पापा और डब डब, उनके सबके बॉडी में येलो स्पॉट्स है, येलो डॉट्स है. Okay, and they have very short tail. Now go to the next page. Mummy daddy were big, obviously. We are small and our mummy daddy are big, right? So here also dub is very small. Dub dub, not dub. Dub dub is very small and his mummy papa is very big. So mummy papa has their own fire. Means as mummy papa is big, they can blow their own fire. Can you see? See how they are blowing their own fire? Can you see mummy papa is blowing their own fire? But Dub Dub can't make such big fire. Whenever Dub Dub open his mouth, his fire is not that much big. So he was very unhappy. मेरा फायर इतना छोटा है, मम्मी पापा का फायर कितना बड़ा है. They have such a big fire. When they blow, it blows like anything. और मैं जब blow करती हूँ इतना सा छोटू सा फायर, was not happy. And Dub Dub wanted not only a big fire, a different kind of fire. Now children, tell me, fire का color क्या होता है? Yellow, right? Some oranges are there, but Dub Dub want a different color of fire. Can you see in the picture? What is he thinking? He is thinking a colorful fire like this. All colors should be there. Yellow, pink, blue, green, oranges, red, everything. And it means Dub Dub wished a big, bright, colorful fire. Not only big fire like mummy papa. Big, bright and colorful. Now he is thinking, I have to wish. Let me wish. Let me wish to the God. Maybe he will fulfill my wish. So he stood up near the window. Can you see? He joined his hand and he wished a big colorful fire. See, he has closed his eyes as we do when we do prayer. He closed his eyes. He joined his fist like this and he wished. What is his wish? He wished his fire has the colors on the feather of the kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is the bird kingfisher. Yes, kingfisher is the name of a bird. It is a very beautiful bird. It loves to eat fish, and its blue color is very nice. And Dub Dub wants this blue color. Just see which blue color. I will show you this blue color on his fire. He wished like the colors and the feathers of a kingfisher. Now wish यहीं पे ख़त्म नहीं होता, उसका next wish पता है? Like the colors of flowers in spring. That day when we are we are reading the rhymes, remember orange, red, or putting colors on the flowers. Here you can see purple, pink, blue, so many kinds of flowers. So Dub Dub wants all these colors in his fire. Let's see. Next wish. All the colors in the ocean. Matlab, Dub Dub doesn't want only colors on the earth, on the ground. उसको bird का भी color चाहिए, उसको flowers का भी color चाहिए, and उसको ocean, under the ocean. समुंदर के नीचे, ocean means sea के नीचे, पानी के नीचे जितने में fish है, octopus है, sea horse है, सबके colors चाहिए. Can you see the octopus color, sea horse, fish, different color of fish, everyone's color he wants. So he wants the color of feather of kingfisher. He wants the color of all kinds of flowers, and like the colors in the ocean. Sare colors he wants in his fire. So what kind of fire he wants? He wants a big, bright, colorful fires. And next morning, what happened? Dub Dub went out to play, and he opened his mouth. As soon as he opened his mouth, there was a big, bright, colorful fire. Can you see how big the the fire was? It started from here to here. It went like anything, and the color was so bright. Blue of feather blue of kingfisher is there. Then all flowers colors is there. All colors under the ocean is there. It means God had fulfilled Dub Dub wish. But what happened? As soon as, because Dub Dub was not aware that God has fulfilled his wish. So he opened his mouth and this big, bright, colorful fire came out. And what happened? A rabbit was so scared. All animals were so scared. This much big fire, because everyone is scared of fire, aren't we? हम सब fire से डरते हैं, isn't it? मम्मा आपको हर टाइम बोलते हैं don't go near the fire. So everyone was running. The animals, the birds, the butterflies. The flowers can't run. So what happened? You know what happened, children? I will show you. All things was burned. Dub Dub's fire had burned all the flowers. Luckily, all animals, birds, butterflies, they ran away, they flew away. But the flowers can't, na? Whether the tree or plants or leaves, flowers, they can move? No, they can't. So everything was burned by the fire. Dub Dub didn't want that. He was very sad. He said, oh no, I didn't want that. I want my own fire. Yes, I want a big, colorful fire. But my fire did such thing. I don't want. I love flowers. I love birds. I love animals. That's why I asked their color, na? Yes, Dub Dub loved them. That's why Dub Dub prayed to the god who, if I love them, why don't I get their colors? So Dub Dub was very sorry. Dub Dub was very sorry. He understood that I had asked something wrong. My wish was wrong. My wish was wrong. So immediately again he went to his near his window and he wished. God gave me my old fire again. Because I'm too small. For me, that much big fire is not needed. And with my colorful fire, I had burned all the colorful things around me, right? उसने सारे फ्लावर्स जला दिए, ट्रीज जला दिए, सारे एनिमल्स भाग गए डर से. उसको जो जो चीज़ पसंद थी, he liked all the colorful things, everything had burned. He realized that now I'm very small. I'm very small to handle such a big fire. So he understood why till date God hadn't given me big fire, because I'm very small. So I should be happy with my small fire. When I will grow up, I will have same fire as my mama papa is having now. He understood and he wished God. God gave me my old fire and I don't want colorful fire, because I'm happy with my old yellow fire. Okay, so children, what we have learned, when we are small we are always wanted to be big. मुझे बड़ा होना है, मुझे अपने आप करना है, सब हम बोलते रहते हैं. But everything should be done on time. If mama is helping you to do something, you should take help mama, because now you are small. Because maybe when you are going to do alone that thing, you will hurt yourself. That's why mama is always saying, don't do alone, I am there. So Dub Dub didn't understand that. So he wished to God. So God think, okay, fine. Let him understand by himself. He understood when his colorful fire actually burned everything. So children, always remember, we will get whatever we want, we will get whenever it is the right time. जो सही टाइम होगा तभी हमें वो चीज़ मिलती है. हमें ये चाहिए, अभी चाहिए करके हम जिद करते हैं तो मम्मी कभी कभी मना करते हैं, क्योंकि वो चीज़ तभी आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, so from Dub Dub we have learned a lesson, isn't it? Now children, enjoy your story and till then, bye, take care.